do the same thing, but it is now east of Moore High School at Sunny Lane, Sooner, and South 4th and North 12th Street. Go, John Welsh.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you exactly where it is. This is right at my house. It's crossing right now Bryant, just north of 12th Street. We're getting some highlights of some flashes in there, and their antennas right there that are just north of 12th Street. That's where we're hitting. It looks like, from our vantage point, it's right there. It looks like it's kind of weakened a little bit as Travis was kind of push in there. It's still